Today we're gonna shed some light on the latest releases and updates of 3D software and some cool news from the industry. MegaTrees. MegaTrees is, as the name implies, trees assets. This is a new asset type that has never been added to Megascans. The Quixel team relies on deep knowledge of botany, tree growth, light, wind response, and seasonal response to accurately represent the magnificence of trees and closely reproduce nature. The result is not just a set of assets, but a master material for leaves to control the seasons and wind. It is the first pack that is released for free on the Unreal Engine marketplace. The European Black Alder pack includes early access Megascan trees with 22 unique models of varying maturity, and you can use those for building photorealistic forests. And the assets include 9 forest trees, 5 wild trees, 6 seedlings, and more. Scanning teams capture different tree species from different biomes around the world, and it seems that these trees will be available in the coming months. ArtStation Learning for free. ArtStation, which has recently joined the Epic family, has announced that its educational streaming platform ArtStation Learning is gonna be for free for life to support the creators of the community and help them grow. For those who don't know it, it is known as a portfolio platform and a place to post your artwork to be seen by industry peers and friends, in addition to potential employers such as studios. Right now, ArtStation Learning is not considered a very popular place for learning, but it sure has amazing courses that can help you a lot when learning 2D or 3D. It features unlimited access to an ever-growing content library, and it has a lot of courses and they continue to grow with more and more in production. What's more, it has released a new learning mobile app and it is available now for iOS, and the Android version will be available in late January 2022. RailClone 5. RailClone 5 for 3ds Max has been released with new updates including banking, support for lights, proxy cache, and much more. The new bank controls allow you to twist geometry around splines and give you more control than ever over deformation, and the ability to distribute non-geometric objects such as VDBs in addition to a new cache system. RailClone was limited to geometry distribution, but now it is possible to instantiate and distribute lights, VDBs, and non-geometric objects. Also, it is possible to distribute groups containing meshes and geometric objects. Also, new controls are available to place geometry at regular intervals along splines, in addition to other cool features such as a drop-down list, compatibility with Arnold 7, control of the generator by marker data, improved clipping, and more. Maya to Unreal Live Link. Autodesk has announced a new Live Link plugin that was originally developed by Epic Games, and then Autodesk joined and partnered with Epic Games to advance the Maya plugin and extend the tool's functionality to better meet the needs of artists and studios. The Unreal Live Link plugin allows you to stream animation data from Maya to Unreal Engine in real time, whether you are working between the two tools in virtual production environment or building your next game. You will have a preview of what Unreal will do as soon as you interact with your character assets in Maya and make changes. The new streamlined interface makes it easy to define and manage Maya assets that are streamed to Unreal. You can connect join hierarchy transformations to enable animation streaming between characters. You can make changes to characters such as facial expressions and lip sync, and view them in context with support for blend shapes in Unreal. Camera attributes such as conversion, view angle, depth of field, focal length, and f-stop are supported, as well as lighting adjustments such as color, intensity, and cone angle. SyncSketch acquired by Unity. SyncSketch is a remote access platform recently acquired by Unity. It makes it easy for creators to collaborate and work anywhere simply by sharing the URL. It supports 3D models as well as 2D images and videos, allowing you to see static and animated 3D assets directly within SyncSketch, such as shading, textures, UV maps, etc. And you can easily rotate, change the lighting, and share your feedback notes in real time. This can be very helpful, especially when collaborating with other people, because it helps you gain more time and clarity. It now offers integration with Unity, ShotGrid, and Maya, allowing SyncSketch to connect seamlessly to existing tools. Vue 2021.2. Recently, Eon Software released the latest update of Vue and Plan Factory 2021.2. This release adds new features such as the addition of clear coats to BPR materials, improved graph workflows, live sync with NVIDIA Omniverse, and conversion of Redshift and RenderMan materials. This update introduces improved display and computation performance, in addition to node design updates, resizable node previews, a snapping background grid, and easier connection handling. Plant Factory now includes new option to improve topology and blend-in migrations. The new access control improves the generated mesh by smoothing out strongly distorted axis splines. Like any other integration, this plugin allows you to open native TPF format procedural plants directly within the Unreal Engine, with seasons, maturity, health, and other parameters. You can actually convert a plant into an Unreal actor for an animated or static state. This allows you to introduce Plant Factory plants into your game in a much more convenient way than using the traditional export-import workflow. GauGAN2. This software uses a deep learning model to transform simple written words and sentences into photorealistic masterpieces. The deep learning model text-to-image behind GauGAN allows anyone to turn what they imagine into photorealistic art. You can simply enter a phrase such as sunset or beach, and the AI will generate the scene in real time. You can also add adjectives such as rocky seaside, sunset, or change sunset to words like afternoon or rainy day to instantly create a model based on the generative adversarial network. GauGAN2 combines features such as segmentation mapping, inpainting, and text-to-image in one model, making it a powerful tool for combining words and drawings to create photorealistic art. And NVIDIA also released 2 tutorials to help you learn it. Next is Masterpiece Studio VR. Masterpiece Studio is a real-time immersive 3D suite. It is a VR modeling and texturing app that is available now for free, allowing everyone to create their 3D objects, sculpt them, add textures, rigs, and animate them all in VR environments, which will allow everyone to bring their ideas to life in an easier and more interactive way. But like any other VR creation software, it is limited. That's why it is not gonna be used for real productions, but it's gonna be fun to try it and see what it can do. Masterpiece Studio believes that free is about creating the community, and instead of money, they are asking users to pay it forward by sharing their content with the community to help other artists. Enscape 3.2. Enscape 3.2 has arrived with new features for better rendering quality for Revit, SketchUp, Rhino, ArchiCAD, and Vectorworks. The new features include dynamic asset placement that allows you to pick and place a single or multiple assets into designs like green building assets and materials. This in addition to features that allow you to create vivid visualizations. There are also panorama tours for better presentation experience and batch panorama to render multiple images, also monopanoramas or stereo panoramas. Plus, you will get access to more than 250 new assets and materials, and higher quality of rendering with ray traced sun and shadows in real-time view. Next is Katana 5. This release greatly expands collaboration because it has the most powerful architecture and it is a must-have for creative projects, especially big ones. Artists can actually use it to collaborate seamlessly, reduce feedback loops, and achieve a perfect final render overall. It is actually industry standard in the VFX industry because it solves many problems. Katana comes with a Nuke Bridge tab that you can use to launch Nuke for live streaming image data from Katana's catalog to Nuke. The version of USD used in Katana has been upgraded to USD 21.05, and support for using various Hydra render delegates in Katana's Hydra-powered Viewer tab has been reintroduced. I hope you found this news interesting. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. You can also check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.